Hi, we are from Leica Wireless Solutions Private Limited. We work on the indigenous communication system for armed force applications. So this is one of the 4G LTE product what we made for Army, Navy and Air Force applications. So we can set up a ad hoc network where with one box and commercial devices you can connect to this network and you can set up your own private network. So this is the 2x2 MIMO antenna. It can actually offer 150 Mbps downlink throughput and 75 Mbps uplink throughput and a multi-user network where you can set up 128 mobiles to be connected to this and offers a range of 10 km. This is a 10 watt macro cell kind of network. So there is a roadmap for the same product. We are plan to even upgrade to the 5G kind of architecture, which can do the scale up in terms of more users and more throughput, higher bandwidths. This we can customize for different frequency bands and commercial devices. We can get the band which have a license and we can integrate and give the complete solution for any ARM applications, ARM force applications. And this is another SDR product which is mainly for drone communications, very miniaturized module, less than 200 grams, which offers point-to-point link, point-to-multipoint and mesh topologies, where we can do camera and camera feed and control links. We can do drone to the ground communication. Yeah. This is a brief about our Leica Wireless Solutions products. Thank you.
Like what Amar has added, I'll just add on top of that this equipment is completely meant for the defense application, Army, Navy, Air Force, and for that matter, military and a small team concepts as well. And we are working in this domain for a military band, Band 28, wherein we have our own WPC commissioning for this LT systems. And we are actually have a different varieties in this domain where we can cater for a small team concept to a bigger, national strategic kind of installation. And we can very, I would say that we are very competitive in this domain with whosoever are there, and an indigenized solution that we will be giving it to the Indian Armed Forces. And Indian Armed Forces for very long has been looking for this kind of a captive network which can be utilized for surveillance domain as well, and we can give a remote eye using this equipment to all our remote borders and areas. And the Galvan issues, we all know that what we have faced in a recent time. Had we been deployed this system, I'm sure some of the surveillance data which we wanted would have curbed by deployment of such system. And I totally, with substantiation, I can say that this system of ours is gonna do a wonderful job, and it's already time tested. We have some customers on this in defense domain only with the DRDO labs and all, where we are going to deploy this system. Thank you so much.